Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix PS5 unrecognized disk that won't start. Take your disk from console, then clean the disk gently. Then reinsert and try, or turn off your PS5. Then press and hold the power button until it opens safe mode. Then go to clear cache and rebuild database. Then select rebuild database. Then select OK. Then restart your PS5. And another method is go to settings icon from the top right corner. Then go to system. Then go to system software update and settings. Then click on update system software. Then click on update using internet or go to game and click on check for update. By following the steps, you can fix PS5 unrecognized disk that won't start.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.